Hey everyone, so this is a very short video on how to create alerts in ServiceNow. And there are primarily a few ways to create alerts in ServiceNow. One is using the traditional uh, JavaScript alert, which is spoken about in this article as well by SNerd. And the other are the in-house alerts, which are present in ServiceNow, which could be created based on certain APIs. The APIs which I would be primarily talking about in this video will be there are two. One is GlideModel, which creates an alert in the classic environment, and the other is G_model, which creates an alert in Workspace. And this video is largely inspired from this article by SNerd. As you can see, this is a knowledge article. And let's say we want to, let me first demonstrate the traditional alert which is present in JavaScript. For that, you just need to write in a client script, take a client script and just write alert and add a piece of text to it. So I'll show the appearance of this alert in ServiceNow in the classic environment first. So let's say this is the new one, sorry. Yep. So this is the traditional old alert, which is offered by JavaScript. Um and this is not really embedded within the ServiceNow platform as such. And same goes from the classic, I'm sorry, the workspace as well. If we go to workspace and if we see how the alert looks, it looks this way. Unfortunately, the problem with this alert is it's not super fancy. Second, it does not really match with the theme of the instance. So how about we use the alert which is present, which gets created using the glide model or the G_model. So let me show the execution of that. Now this is a client script and this is a method which invokes the respective environment-based alerts given by ServiceNow. So number one, we got the glide model API. So glide model not equal to undefined, which means it's the classic UI wherein, and glide model not equal to undefined, which means we're in the configurable workspace. And by means of a script, we can configure the width of the alert and also the title of the alert. And we do have a message, and also the message could be configured as well. So these are the operations we can do for a glide model. And for G_model, it's rather simple. We can simply just pass in the message. And let me save this client script. And let me reload the other environments. And so here I am in the classic UI. If I have to show you, this is how the alert looks, which is produced by the GlideModel API. And this is how the alert looks, which is produced by the G_model API. So in conclusion, it's a better idea to use these APIs, which is the glide model and also the G_model in order to create alerts in ServiceNow rather than the traditional alert method which JavaScript offers, which is rather executed on the window object of JavaScript. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If there are any other blogs, articles, which you would want me to make a video of, please let me know in comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.